In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up notifications and reminders in Monday.com so you never miss an important deadline again. Whether you're managing a team, tracking client work, or organizing your own tasks, automating notifications can save you time and make sure everyone stays on the same page. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll have automated reminders running smoothly inside your board. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the board where you want the notifications to be set up. Head over to your Monday.com workspace and click into the specific board that contains the tasks, projects, or items you want reminders for. Notifications and reminders are set up at the board level, so it's important you're inside the correct board before moving forward. Once you're in, take a quick look at your columns, especially your date column, because most reminders are triggered based on a date arriving or changing. Next, we're going to add an automation. At the top of your board, click on the Automations button. When the Automation Center opens, click on Add New Automation. This is where Monday.com allows you to create rules that trigger actions automatically. You'll see a variety of pre-built automation recipes that make the process extremely simple, even if you've never used automations before. These recipes follow a when this happens, then do that structure. Now it's time to choose a notification trigger. For reminders, one of the most common options is when date arrives, notify someone. In the automation search bar, you can type the word notify to quickly find relevant options. Select the recipe that says something like when date arrives, notify person. Once you click it, you'll be able to customize the trigger. Choose the specific date column you want the reminder to be based on. This ensures the automation knows exactly which deadline it should monitor. After selecting the trigger, you need to choose the recipient. Click on the person field inside the automation setup and select who should receive the notification. This could be the item owner, a specific team member, or even an entire team depending on your workflow. If each task has an assigned owner, selecting item owner is usually the best option because it automatically sends the reminder to whoever is responsible for that task. You can also customize the notification message to make it more specific, such as including the task name or deadline date so the alert is clear and actionable. Once everything looks good, the final step is to confirm and save your automation. Click the Save button to activate it. After saving, the automation will now run in the background. Whenever the selected date arrives, Monday.com will automatically send the notification to the chosen recipient. You can always return to the Automations tab to edit, pause, or delete the rule if your workflow changes. As a quick tip, you can create multiple reminder automations on the same board. For example, you might set one notification for one day before the due date and another on the actual due date. This layered approach ensures nothing slips through the cracks, especially for high-priority projects. And that's it. You've successfully set up notifications and reminders in Monday.com. With just a few clicks, you can automate follow-ups, reduce manual checking, and keep your entire team aligned on deadlines. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Monday.com guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.